The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Sanitizer and nice up as well. Start, sanitizer and nice in there. Start. Sanitizer and nice up. Go on, go.
Please pass. Temperature. Please pass.
Next.
Temperature. Please pass.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. Yes, I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I just presented to you a video that shows a machine that is known as the full body 360-degree sanitization machine. According to some information that I got, it is said that more than 2 of those machines had been installed at a few locations within the country of Jamaica. It is said that the machine not only checks your temperature, but it also checks to see if you're wearing a mask. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about that machine that is known as the full body 360-degree sanitization machine. You see? Alright, I'm going to move on to another topic, viewers and subscribers. That's what I'm saying to you. Alright, now, when it comes on to a video circulating on social media that shows an altercation between a person and a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, I got information that the person who can be seen wrestling with the police officer in a video that is circulating on social media had been arrested and slapped with multiple charges. I saw a video circulating on social media that shows the person in police custody. Viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present this video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself, and you can also let me know what you think about this video. Alright, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look. Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. The video that shows the person who was wrestling with a police officer in police custody. You see me? Alright, so I'm going to move on to another video quick and fast. You see? The next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show a man who was scared of being injected while at a medical facility that is located somewhere within the world. You see me? And when I said that the man was scared of being injected, I mean that the man was scared of being injected with a needle that was attached to a thing that is known as a syringe. Now, one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, is because this video is being talked about on social media. You see me? Some of the comments that have been made on social media about this video gave me the understanding that some persons did not find it embarrassing what the man had done. You see what I said to you? Some of the comments also gave me the understanding that some persons are concerned and somewhat understand why the man was afraid of being injected. That's my understanding of some of the comments. Anyways, I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to take a look at this video and tell me what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
So what encouraged you to come and have your vaccine today?
Boy, I don't get COVID now.
You don't get COVID?
No way.
Okay, so you cannot move too much. Just
Hold on,
relax.
Dennis.
It's okay. Talk to me. Just talk to me. Don't worry about what others do. Look at Mr. Joseph. Talk to me. Me and you are communicating.
Yes,
okay?
I
Don't
know.
worry about the nurse.
You feel
Communicate with
about the nurse?
I can't remember. I really don't talk, but I can't remember.
He spoke about it. That's Robin.
Was you?
He didn't feel anything. You're not going to feel anything. Watch me. Talk to me. You didn't feel it, but you. Put your hand. Bring your hand on the table. Put your hand on the table. Mr. Joseph.
Yes.
It's okay.
Yes,
bring it.
Can't you get water?
Look, I want you bottle of water. I will give you the tea. Oh, bring some water. Bring some water. These vaccine cannot stay.
Okay, alright, you can do that fast, huh?
Thank you.
Oh my god, John. Oh, nurse. You gotta get water quickly, yeah?
So you still want please?
Brace. Oh, that's needle long.
You have to use the right needle. Yes. So I just want to get an access.
What's that?
Stop talking about the needle. Mr. Joseph.
Yes.
Mr. Joseph, you don't want
Okay,
to.
yes, I don't need to be long.
Right. You cannot move. You can't. Mr. Joseph. Not to hold in his hand.
Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Watch me. What? You don't feel happy. Look at that. You're in shock. You cannot believe it happened already. You're in shock. And performance and all kinds of performance.
Viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, I don't think there is any shame in being afraid of something that is going to, you know, bore your skin. Yes, what I said to you? Yeah, you know, I don't think there's any shame in it. But if it's for your health, then I think it is something that, you know, we just have to bear it. You see me? Anyways, let me know what you think about that video, viewers and subscribers. You see me? And I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. This video is going to show a person at a police station talking to a police officer. This video is going to show the person talking to the police officer through a window at a police station located somewhere within the country of Jamaica. See me? Now, in my point of view, the person who was talking to the police officer stuttered a lot. Viewers and subscribers, I think I saw this video posted on social media some time ago. Yes, I say, but I just can't quite remember if it is years ago or maybe months ago. You see me? Yeah, maybe this video had been posted on social media before even the COVID-19 pandemic had started. You understand? Anyways, you, my viewers and subscribers, can take a look at this video and tell me what you think. You know, you can tell me if you think this video had been posted years ago, or if this video had been posted just months ago, or so on. You see me? And you can also let me know what you think about the video overall. Alright? Alright, now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Yo, how are you, brother? Eh? Me? Eh? Where's that dinner? Wait, what deal? Eh? What deal? You can right? You can right? Eh? You can right? You can Say feature to play.
Not buy a garden. No, that's not. What do you say?
No.
What do you say? You say tall little girl? Really? Long look? Around a bush place or something. Alright, so we are report now. We are
No.
Oh, the girl say you took him.
Oh, you
never did it?
No.
So where you tell me?
The man in there. And I'm going to tell
Write your name, sir.
eh?
Write your name. Feel your name.
What?
Feel your name. Write it on the bill. Write your name. Because we don't know your name. If you ever tell your name, you're not going to know, brother.
You never got me name.
What your name? Write your name, sir.
You already.
Draw your name, man. I this? Now, boy, your guardian name? You name, sir?
Aye.
So, where the girl name with you?
Alright, so dear Avid viewers and subscribers, you don't know me Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright, so big up and respect to each and every one. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall Skilla, you know? You know, big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.